this would like a burn. It can make you go crazy, trust me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Oluchi, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about my experience with this Drunk Elephant C-Firma Day Serum. I started using it a few weeks ago, and then I'll let you guys know my experience so far with it. It contains 15% L-ascorbic acid, pumpkin ferment extract, and you get product worth 30 ml in this right here. If you don't really know about vitamin C, I'll just talk to you a little bit about vitamin C in general. So vitamin C basically helps to brighten, it helps to firm, and then it helps with the appearance of fine lines. It also protects the skin from the harmful photo damage from the UV rays. It helps to potentially like fade away discolorations from like hyperpigmentation. So yeah, so basically what it does is that it reveals brighter, firmer, and more even looking complexion. This result is a noticeably diminished appearance of UV photo damage and aging, replaced by incredible radiance and luminosity. It just said what I said previously when I told you guys basically what vitamin C does when applied atopically to the skin. So, and then it mentions here ferulic acid. So ferulic acid is also an antioxidant which helps to boost other antioxidants. In this case, so it helps this L-ascorbic acid. So it basically boosts this L-ascorbic acid to potentially deliver all the goodness to the skin. So this bottle of serum right here, it costs £67, and I got mine from Cult Beauty. And the reason why I jumped on this is because, first of all, of the L-ascorbic, the percentage of the vitamin C in this, it contains like 15%, and 15% is quite reasonable, it's quite high, and so that's one of the reasons why I got it. And then I also, like, I've been hearing like lots of good things about this serum right here. I was like, you know what, it would be nice to, you know, try it out, and then also to let you guys know my opinion on this product, because you know that I always come out here to tell you guys the honest truth. I mean, my experience using certain products. I must say, so far I've used about 3 different brands of vitamin C, and then this one is the one that seems to stand out, seems to just work perfectly for me. I've done a review of the Ole Henriksen vitamin C serum, which I used previously, and then if you'd like to know my experience on the product on the Ole Henriksen vitamin C, I'll put the link somewhere here. Other vitamin C I was using before I got this one is from The Ordinary, and that one is the L-ascorbic vitamin C with the alpha arbutin. It's a 10% L-ascorbic vitamin C. That one seemed a bit oily, but this one is quite jelly, and then this one doesn't have any fragrance, because the issue I had with the Ole Henriksen one is that it had fragrance, and then you have to check the video out to know my experience. Anyway, so yeah, that's why I really like this one. It's jelly, it absorbs into the skin, it just works right for me. I feel like I've seen a bit of difference using it, not like drastic difference. I know that my skin has just been glowing. I don't know if it's because of the weather, because it is so hot. It says that you should store it, like, I mean, you mustn't, but it will be nice for you to store it in the fridge. It will help with the longevity of the product, with the potency, and I always store this in my fridge. So before I use it in the morning, I'll just come out after showering, you know, I'll come out, then take a few pumps, and then put it back in the fridge. So that's where it sleeps, that's where it lives. Coming to the smell, like, I really did my research before purchasing this. Like, some people complain that, oh, the smell is some type of way, but to be honest, like, it doesn't have a strong smell. But like, if you have a sensitive nose, you would perceive, like, if you sniff it, you would perceive I wouldn't say fragrance, but you could smell something. But to be honest, it's not overpowering. But some people don't like it. Me, I really don't mind. I really don't care about it. It's not fruity. I can't even tell you what exactly it smells like, but it's not, the smell, trust me, it's not strong. If maybe you have a little injury, or if your skin is scraped, or if your skin is raw, you might want to skip this, because I know that it would sting. Sometime this week, when it was so hot, I applied this, then my neck started to burn. Actually, I had to honestly I had to wash my neck off. My face was very alright, but my neck was burning because my neck is quite sensitive. I really don't know why. I really don't know why, especially like the lines. So that's where the product got into, and it was stinging. So when I looked closely, I saw that I had some rashes there. I think it was from it's from like the weather, because it's super hot, very humid. So I'm thinking that what happened was that maybe the reaction from like excessive sweating and then the sensitivity of my neck combined with this product right here, like really, you know, got so bad I had to like wash it off. But as soon as I washed it off, it felt better. I just thought I should, like, you know, mention it, that if you want to purchase this and you have maybe some, like, you know what I mean, like some, what's the word to use, like maybe your skin is raw or is extremely sensitive, you might want to be careful, because the percentage of the L-ascorbic acid is quite high. This is quite potent, so you have to be careful while using it. Otherwise, I really have no other issue with it. I'm just going to show you guys how, you know, to operate it, and then like what the product inside looks like. So if you want to, you know, dispense it, you just twist it like this, and then let me show you what the consistency looks like. See, it's quite runny and it's orange. So when you rub it into the skin like this, when you rub it on your face, see, it leaves like a thin film of glow on your skin. And yes, also on the direction, so let me show you guys what my hand looks like. So that's, I don't know if you can't really see the glow, but trust me, like when you use it, it's not greasy, it's not oily, but it's just has this glow to it. I'm going to let you guys know the suggested use. So in the morning, apply evenly to a clean dry face, neck, chest, and the back of the hands. No, not for eye area. So you should not try to use this on your eye area. You know, I already mentioned how this would sting if you have like a little crack or a little, you know, you have something going on your skin, you have broken skin. This would like burn. It can make you go crazy, trust me. So don't even try using it close to your eye. Most of these product serums, they are not supposed to be used around the eye area, because the eye area is very sensitive. Trust me, you don't want to get this kind of stuff even close to your eye. Like, oh my god, it's going to be something else. So anyway, yeah, so tip: C-Firma contains pure L-ascorbic acid, which is best when it's fresh, so use immediately and do not stock up. So do not hoard this product. After first use, may be stored in a refrigerator to help maintain its potent antioxidant activity and effectiveness. So like I mentioned earlier, I always keep this in the fridge, because see, it's not cheap. And then again, like if they have to mention it, I mean, most of us have fridges in our house. You just pop it into the fridge, and like, you know, it always feel cool when you apply it on your face. And then what else do I have to say about it? Yeah, to be honest, would I recommend this? Yes, I would highly recommend this if you can afford it. Do not forget to use your SPF. I've made videos about SPFs, the ones that don't leave white cast. I know that some of us shy away from using sunscreen because maybe it leaves the white cast, or we think that if you're not going out, we don't need sunscreen. As long as the sun is shining, you're not in a hole, you need to use your SPF daily on your skin, especially if you're using products like this. It's like if you're using acids, if you're using, like, whether you're using acids or not, you need to use it. And then if you're using acids, or if you're using like all this vitamin C and so on and so forth, it would make the skin very, you know, photosensitive. So we definitely need to protect the skin in order to avoid, you know, more harm. Because if you use this and then you don't use your sunscreen, you will definitely like ruin your skin. Like your skin will get worse instead of getting better. So yes, that has to be for my experience with this so far. If I notice any other changes, I'll be sure to let you guys know. But so far so good. I'm loving the way this is. It's giving me that glow that I like. I really like it. And if it finishes, I'll definitely be repurchasing this. I have found the vitamin C that I will stick to for quite a while, unless something new and something, you know, better or different like comes out. I'll be sure to try those ones. So that has to be it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Do let me know in the description box below the other kind of videos you'd like to see on my channel. And then if you have tried this product before, let me know as well. Let's talk about it. Do you like it? Are you seeing results? Let me know as well. And then finally, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.